Wake up, Washington.
School is almost over.
1 month to go, and
Hello, summer.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
Hi, this is Miss Luther's third grade class. Please see you stand and sing the Washington School Song. Hey guys, can you believe we are at our last virtue of the school year? And we saved the best for last. It is responsible. So responsible is doing the things you are expected to do and accepting the consequences of your actions. So a quote to think about for this month of May is, you are always responsible for how you act, no matter how you feel. You guys have a great Monday. See you tomorrow. Mwah!
Did you know that MPS has a great new Learning Bus? The Learning Bus will run routes Monday through Thursday during June, July, and part of August. You can visit the Learning Bus this summer to check out books, do fun STEM activities, use the bus Wi-Fi to download great reads from Sora, or access the internet. Check out the Washington Facebook page or MPS website in mid-May for Learning Bus schedules and the stops it'll make close to you.
Hello, Washington Eagles. This is Mr. Graham. If it's your birthday this week, stand up. Everyone at Washington wishes you a happy, happy birthday.
Have an awesome day.